As you can see, I'm here at TedHair. TedHair. I'm here at TedHair.
I'm at TedHair.
And we're here at TedHair.
I'm here at TedHair.
TedHair to TedHair.
Ted's Hair in Atlanta, Georgia.
Trust me, the #1 vendor where I get all my top quality wigs and weaves. The hair here you see before you is 24 inches. Straight hair. Oh my God, they got the great bundle deals.
So hi guys, you have to come out here and support TedHair because they have great A1 hair. As usual, I'm always here shopping. This is my #1 vendor where I come to and support my friends, my dear friends. Great A1 hair. Everything is just so beautiful. It's just like A1. So you guys have to come out, support, shop, and look sexy, ladies.
From body wave, as you can see. Now I'm back for my deep curly. I've also tested the blonde hair. Everybody knows it's very hard to come across blonde hair. No shedding at all. I straightened it, no tangles, no shedding, bone straight. I really love TedHair. I had a great experience. Their customer service is great, and I will go to nobody else but Ted. I love them so much.